So I got some new add-ons for the shop. I fixed this light. It didn't work because some dumb ass grabbed the top of that with glue on their fingers and to turn it off, and the glue hardened. So I had to grab some pliers and break the glue free. For the switch, we installed this light here. We installed that light and that light there. Notice how much brighter it is in here. So up right there, oh, there's the chain for my chain hoist, but there's a plug right there, and that is for they had the original fluorescent lights hardwired. There was one here and there was one over there, so we installed plugs and then we hung two lights here. So now when I do like toolbox tours and stuff, you can actually see what the hell I'm talking about. This area is still a dark hole. Sorry about the wind noise. It's like 70-mile-an-hour winds. Found that today. And then we have a light here, and this light also has an outlet there, so we have another outlet. So if I want to plug another light in or something over here, I can, but it makes this area much brighter and nicer. So there's some shop updates. Hope you guys like it.